machine was researched, and the other one is the yellow wellies, which is mined in farming. So we've got mine farming. So basically, they help bring families and mind, mental health, and the forces. Now, unfortunately, a few of us have been there and lost friends of ours. So that was very big here. I think we might be ready. Are we ready to hand over? Are we ready yet? Lizzie? Lizzie? Okay, right, we've got to speed up so we can speak with the brand, so I can hold back here. Right, so what we're going to do now is introduce the lorry. Lorry here is a Cherokee, that's spelled G1R. Now, she originates from the Arctic region. And my dear, here's this bird. They're flying her home at 148 miles an hour. Now, she's not going to be hitting that sort of speed today, because we're having to do a very limited flight, because we are competing with a band, and I want to simulate this bird a bit further out and to that leg. And further that way. Now, with these lorries,